How do you catch those crappie in 100-degree weather? I'll tell you where you ain't going to catch them. That's on the couch. So you got to get up. You got to go to the lake, the river, the pond, Bass Pro little pool that they put fish in. Catch some fish. Listen, we're going out here to do it. It's 100 degrees. I'm about to wrap up. Let's go. Couple good fish right here. There he is. There he is. He got all, he slung off of that. Try to horse him. Tried to horse him. Got him. We'll change your view to, don't worry about that cloud. Be the only one out here. I still believe that that's power. There you go. Yeah, I think he's a good one too. He's a way good. He sure thinks he is. Even if he ain't, he thinks he is. Tucker himself out there. There we go. Oh yeah, he's a good one. He's a good one. That's what we're coming here for. Alright, if you keep score at home, these fish are about 10-15 feet down. Anywhere from 10 to 12 feet down. And we're just sitting right on top of them. I'd show you the picture of them, but I'm going to let you imagine it. And then we'll turn you around here in a minute. I just get this cloud out here. They're aggressive today, though. They weren't that aggressive the other day I was out here. Nice bit right here now. The wind's gonna. Oh yeah, there we go. Y'all heard that, didn't you? We're gonna let him live. He thinks he's tough. He ain't tough. Might have been the brunt that I found. All the northerners today in the south, in North Carolina, all the northerners got their heads in the freezer. It's hot. Thankfully this wind's blowing right now, keeping that heat at bay. There he is. Got this one. He thinks he's big. He ain't bad. He ain't real big off that pile. See that? Stay, guys. Stay. We'll let him grow up. There he is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, this should be another good, decent one. He's a fighter. I will tell you that now. There's a fighter. A fighter. Yep. That's what it comes to. Oh, crap. He fell right off my hook. Dude. Let me get up. Hey, 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 hey. There's 3 in the boat. There's 3. 3. Camera off. Every time I turn that camera off, catch me. Bit me. Bit me. So like this. Acting like he's a mean one. He's a good one though. He's a good one. He's a That's 2 on the slip cord. 2. You want to the dark I believe that's 5. That's 5 in the boat. Slip corking's the way to go. Without a shadow of a doubt. I'm sold right now. I'm gonna drop it down just a hair. I'm gonna drop it down just a little bit. Slip corking is the way to go, my friend. No, we probably might keep 10 today. We might keep 10. Maybe we're gonna put this over here to the side for a minute. We just throw this right back on that pile. Uh-oh.